Kev G weather overview, taking a look at the radar on a Sunday and a lot of rain for Long Island. This was a surprise. We have weak low pressure that is stalled to our south, and it is giving Long Island a shot of rain, and it is really giving us a lot of cloud cover around the area. But you see the sharp cutoff over New York City and points north and west, barely any rain whatsoever. So it's kind of frustrating out for the folks out on Long Island. This was a surprise today. We are seeing some breaks in the clouds, but hopefully we will see more breaks in the clouds. But we'll be fighting them all day, and there will be some showers around, particularly over Long Island. So this is just something that we're going to have to deal with today, as we have stubborn low pressure that is making a surprise visit to the region, and it is going to provide for some challenges today. The one thing it will do, if you want to look on the bright side of things, no pun intended, is that it will keep our temperatures in check, because Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we are looking at a mid-August heat wave across the tri-state area. There's going to be 3 days of 90 plus for much, if not all, of the tri-state area, and we're looking at high levels of humidity. And we have been spoiled as of late over the last 10 to 15 days. Even though we've had, some rain from time to time, we've kept our temperatures in check. But this week is not going to be one of those weeks. The upper air pattern is going to completely reverse itself. So if I take this back just a little bit, we'll go backwards, and we'll go all the way back to where we were on August 5th. And you can see the jet stream was to our south. It was the northern branch of the jet stream was very active. But now as the upper air pattern changes, we get a big ridge of high pressure that develops. It's going to pump in west-southwesterly air. And the only saving grace that we will have during the week is the pop-up showers and thunderstorms that happen from time to time throughout the week. But that's going to be scattered. Not everybody's going to get in on that. I think the most widespread opportunity for that to happen will be around Friday into Saturday. Now you notice as we get into Friday into Saturday, we get a shot of cooler air as that northern branch of the jet stream comes in. So the game plan this week is for hazy, hot, and humid Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Best chance of storms Friday. And then we cool it down, relatively speaking, for the weekend. We get rid of the high levels of heat and humidity and knock our temperatures down. And with any luck, we'll have a decent weekend with not a lot of rain chances in the forecast. Now, for the Weather Prediction Center, they have our rain chances pretty much front-loaded. A lot of what's happening out on Long Island is happening now, and you can see that this is a 7-day average. So if you kind of think about what's happening today versus what's going to happen the rest of the week, they're calling for mainly scattered activity with not a lot of widespread rain. And that will translate to some getting more rain than others, some people getting more rain than others. And you have to favor the inland areas more so than the coast. But after all, it is August, so anybody's going to be fair game. Again, the widespread threat for any showers or thunderstorms is going to happen with that frontal passage late in the week. But the main story is the temperatures, because we have a heat wave on the way. 3 days of 90 plus is a good bet. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We start out with today, where we're fighting clouds, temperatures only around 80. And then Monday, we hopefully will see more sun than clouds today, especially east of New York City. And temperatures will head up into the low and middle 80s with perhaps a few showers around. But then Tuesday, here we go. We start to make our run. You're going to notice the humidity levels are going to start to come up on Tuesday, and then Wednesday we are in the oven, so to speak, and it is going to really feel hot and humid with high levels of humidity. And here we are Thursday, 95 in the Big Apple. Friday, 96. That could be our hottest day, and that makes sense because it's right before the frontal passage. And then Saturday we cool it back down with highs in the mid 80s. So get ready for a heat wave. It is on the way. These clouds are keeping our temperatures down over the next couple of days, but that will be short-lived as we head for a mid-August heat wave. And it'll be a classic one for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.